Hi, I'm Kenny Webb, and today we're going to walk through how to disassemble and reassemble a demountable office front by Frameworks. So here we've got a fully installed demountable office front. This is a slim slider Frameworks unit. So you can see we've got the sliding door, we've got the glass all installed, and today we're going to show you how to disassemble it and then put everything back up. The first step is to remove the inside header trim. Grab the bottom and rotate up away from the opening. This provides access to the sliding door track. With the header trim removed, use a screwdriver to disengage the rollers from the mounting plates on the top rail of the door. Slide the lever back to unlock the roller, which can then slide out of the mounting plate. Once the rollers are detached from the door, lift slightly on the door and lean back until the top of the door is clear of the frame header. Once clear of the header, lift the door up off of the floor guide. Next, we'll remove the door guide at the base of the vertical mullion. This component fits into a track in the bottom channel of the door. Now continue removing the remaining trim. A helpful tip is to use a screwdriver at the head condition where the trim has been notched to bypass a corner clip. Then pull off slowly, trying not to bend or damage the trim as it comes off. The face of every component has trim that needs to be removed. Here we are removing the center vertical mullion trim, which will be followed by the base trim, completing the inside of the office. Then follow the same procedure to remove the trim on the outside of the office. With all of the trim removed, we're ready to remove the glass. Begin by removing the glazing vinyl at the base, then the vertical glazing vinyl, followed by the vinyl at the head condition. Now that the vinyl has been removed, remove the glass stop attached to the base by rolling the stop forward toward the glass and lifting up. When removing the glass on a butt glazed application, be sure the piece furthest from the door is moved all the way into the glazing channel of the glass jamb. This will allow clearance for the other piece of glass to be removed. Lift the glass so that the bottom can come out of the opening in the direction of the glass stop you just removed. With the glass removed, you can now remove the glass setting blocks. To remove the glass base, retract the screw securing the glass base clip where the base and the glass jamb meet. Then, lift the base up off of the base setting channel. Next, remove the glass pocket in the header at the side light portion of the sliding door track by removing the Tek screws in the face of the track, including the 2 screws in the C100 header clip where the track meets the glass jamb, as these also catch the horizontal glass pocket. Once the screws have been removed, slide the glass pocket down out of the header. Next, remove the center vertical mullion by extracting the Tek screws where the mullion meets the base setting channel and the head condition. Once the screws have been removed, pull the top of the vertical mullion down toward the side light portion of the opening and remove. The base setting channel should be removed according to how it was installed. In this example, we used concrete masonry screws that can be backed out with a ratchet. Once the base setting channel is lifted out of place, there is access to the glass base clip, which can be removed by backing out 2 screws, securing it to the glass jamb. Next, remove the glass pocket with the flush door sleeve at the header of the door opening. Follow the same procedure used to remove the glass pocket at the side light header, being sure to remove the screws in the angle clip at the vertical joint. Now remove the sliding door track by retracting the screws that attach this component into the wood blocking above. Then, with support from below, remove the C100 header clips on both sides of the outside vertical jambs. Once all 4 clips have been removed, slide the track down out of the opening. Remove the screws securing the vertical jambs to the vertical setting channels. Then pull the jambs off of the setting channels. With the vertical jambs removed, detach the vertical setting channels from the wall. So now that we've successfully disassembled the entire unit, we're now ready to do some minor cleanup, fill some screw holes with putty, and touch up paint, and this area is ready for its next use.